To so many of us, we claim to be Christians. We claim to have a relationship with Jesus Christ. But to so many of us, we do not expect any change in our lives. Hindi po pwede yun kasi yung totoong Christian, yung buhay niya nagtatransform. Amen po? Yung buhay niya nagbabago. Tingnan niyo yung katabi niyo. Hindi siya palaging tulog. Maaaring once a week o pwede. Pero every Sunday tulog, medyo may problema na yun. Nakuha niyo yung sabihin, we need to expect some change. Diba, ito lang importante. What we understand about life is this. Sa Christianity, hindi pwedeng hindi nagbabago. Kasi may plano ang Diyos eh. Sabi ng Panginoon, I came that they might have life and that they might have it abundantly. So hindi pwedeng nandoon lang. God's plan, God has a plan for each one of us. And let Him mold you. And let Him mold us. Naintindihan po natin. Now, tingnan niyo po 1 Thessalonians. Basahin lang natin. For this is the will of God. Look at the word. This is the will of God. Your sanctification. Gusto ng Diyos pa-set apart tayo. Now, tingnan niyo po. Ito, nagbigay siya ng specific that you abstain from sexual immorality, that each of you know how to possess his own vessel in sanctification and honor yung katawan natin para sa kanyang kalwalatian. Not in lustful passion like the Gentiles who do not know God. You see, if you claim to know God, God expects you to become different, to be set apart from the world. Amen po? Nagkakaintindihan po ba tayo? Kaya kung alam natin at nagkaroon tayo ng totoong encounter sa Diyos, we can expect God to mold us. Now, kaya again, our message for this afternoon, trust God's plan, let Him mold you.